see our case studies. So there is a questions for this. Okay, use a proper function to create a formula in E2. Oh, let me go to from the one in column B contains spaces before the entries. So you can see the B column. There is unnecessary spaces from the text. So we need to remove for our data cleaning part. So we will use trim function, trim, provide text, just enter. Now we don't have to go and provide just double click, use shortcuts. It will fill the whole column. Now in this column, you can see whole thing are in upper. Okay, so it will convert me into first letter should be in upper, second letter should be in small. So we will use proper function. Okay, this is our case study. Okay, I will get a proper function. Okay, so in proper function, just pass the cell. Okay, now use smart work. Okay, now what all are the others case studies means? Okay, proper function done in I2 cell. Okay, in I2 means this. Uh, Create a formula that words extract the word states from the entry in H2. Okay, in H2 states word. Okay, okay, we have to extract states word from this H. So we will use left function here. Okay, left function. The text should be this. Okay, now we will use dynamically. Okay, just don't pass digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Search function we will use what we have to find. We have to find colon, comma. As you can see, the text is separated by comma. So I will pass comma. Okay. Within text from these text only. Okay. Comma within these text and start number one. Don't provide. Okay. We have to start this one also. It will give first position and okay. Sure. Okay. Okay. Done. Text. Okay, it will printing comma also, so I have to minus one from it. So it will print state only. Okay, see text. Just now don't just double click and now what is another task to do in J2 column create a formula that access words New York from the entry in H2. Okay, from entry in H2. Now you have to use for which column in J. Okay, H2. Okay, J2 in J2 column. We'll use right formula for it. Right. Okay. We from which text we want to derive from this text. Okay. Now number of characters we have to provide. So the length of a whole text. Length of whole text. This minus what we have to minus. We have to minus the position of second comma. So we will give the number of okay minus search comma within the text from this text and start number we have to provide because uh, if we provide from the starting to it will count the first comma. So in this case we have to provide start number. We have to just provide a start number greater than 5 or 6 so that it will don't count the first comma. So we will provide 7. Oh no, no. That's a whole thing. Provide 7. Okay, fine. Let's see what is the output of it. Okay. 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 which is very horrible output is coming out. Length, what is so there is one more way you can see how your formula is working. Okay, so go into data, not data, the formula, evaluate formula. So you can just evaluate what is happening within your formula. So first, what is happening, it will count the length of the holes, which is 90. Okay, 19 minus h2 whole set AB, it will find a comma 7th. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, okay, so we provide comma. The problem is within the comma, within the search function. So start number, start, okay, 798, just provide it. So one more thing we learn about advanced thing, you can use a evaluate formula to see what how your formula is working. Okay, how it is iterating step by step. Okay, now just double click. Now what is next our task? Next task is in K2, add a formula concate using formula concatenated function that combines G2 and I2 cells. G2 and I2 cells. Okay, let's see what is G2 and I2 problem. G is United and I2 is state, United States. Okay, we have to combine United States. So concate function, concate G2, comma I2. Okay, United States. Okay, horrible thing is happened. We have to provide space in between it. Okay, so it will print good space. How can we provide second text? We have to provide just space. That's it. United States. And just now go and double click, fill it. One more task is left. What is the task? Let's see. In empty column, use a formula to display three letters in L2. In a block. Okay. In M2. Okay. What is in M2? In M2, we have to use formula that is the three letters in L2 in other blocks. Okay. 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 So what is region? So USA is region. We have to derive USA from. Firstly, so we have to use mid formula. Okay. Now, mid formula for this, we can derive USA, and we have to provide upper formula so they will print capital USA in the region M2. Okay. So in L2, first we have to. So how we can get a start number? Again, we will use dynamic way, not just rigid way. So we have to find the position of first comma by search. Search text. Okay. Uh, what we have to, okay, in search find the text which is a comma, which is a comma within this text. Okay. Okay. Plus uh, position. Okay. Plus one. Start should be a plus one because we want to start from the eighth position, which will give you. Okay. Now number of characters. Number of characters. So three characters will be there. So we have to minus first position of, we have to minus second position of comma minus first position of comma and minus one, so that we can get a 3, right? So let's do, if we get something horrible we will change it. Search second comma, here goes. Okay, uh, first comma minus second comma, so first this text minus don't know how to provide instance. Okay, minus second comma. So we will use search function, find the text, comma, okay, and within the given text is okay within comma within this text and number of instance greater than 8, okay, because otherwise we will print that first one, I think, -1, okay, value error. Just go and see what is happening. What is happening? Just go and see formula and evaluate. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. So, evaluate, search 7 plus 1, 8. Starts to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So U is coming. Okay. So starting from U. The thing is in the second one. Okay. So in evaluate 7, 7, which is the first. Oh, okay, okay. So first thing should be second commas and then first one. Okay, so there is A11 minus. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it. Okay, got it. So just have to change something. Okay. This should be first and this should be a second. Control X, print it here. V, this one, minus it from here. Now it will work. See, that is how you can solve your errors by just formula errors by okay, double click. Now you just have to provide upper and taste over user. Just go and smart. Okay, now click hold the range. Okay, and just do copy. Oh, just copy and paste values. Okay, paste as a values. So it will remove all the formulas from the. Okay, now we will delete the unnecessary columns which don't require these all columns. Hey, okay, delete. Oh, 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 okay, okay, okay. For this column, there is formula is also there. So we have to provide its value. Now, no, still there is a formula. Uh, okay, now it is solved. Okay, here is also a formula. Here is also formula. Here is also formula. Click all three columns, copy them, and just paste as values. Okay, it won't work with multiple sections. Horrible selection. What the hell is happening? Ooh, ooh. Okay. Now Control C and Control L. So it will convert it in value. Okay. So there is no formula. Now delete all class columns. Click. Hey, what is happening? Delete this column. Okay. So yeah, copy. First of all, copy. We didn't remove formula. Okay. Now there is nothing like that formula. Okay. This column also have formula. Copy. paste as value. Now, uh, just delete all the columns, which is not necessary in our task. In fact, we can directly remove all these columns. Now, that these columns are also not required. This column is also not required. Directly remove. We just remove data. So directly delete all the columns from the database. From the data. Delete. Okay. So now this is all our data point. Okay. Okay. Still the reference. Oh, bye. Control C. Control. Now, now you can die peacefully. Yep. And now is data clean. Finally. So this is all the case study on the stats function. Okay, one more thing, advanced thing is left, which I want to show you. Okay, get your data like this. How can you apply the that stream wala part? Okay, now you can apply that. Okay, search comma first comma second comma. Okay, so these type of data you will in real life you will get these type only. So simply go into data. There is one thing transform text into column. Okay, from text column get there. Okay, please you can provide fixed width, but mm, we will go through a delimit because we get there is a delimiter semicolon who provide a semicolon data. So see you can see here product ID, product category, product set, subcategory, all things are concepted. Okay, see simple. Okay, delimiter. Next you have to uh, go here. Here you can provide specific data categories. We will go with general only. Then we will do specific. Just clean the data. Okay, the data has been cleaned. Okay, just you have to separate them. Oh, the horrible mistake is I didn't select all the columns. Okay, just go. Too much mistakes are happening. Press 7, undo thing, control A, first column, and then go to text delimited. Okay, now you can see the whole thing. Just okay. So here also there is a scope of cleaning the data. Okay, so you can see the some letters are in capital, some are in a small. Okay, here you can also provide your case study. I will left this. Okay. See, suppose you can see there is small and while other is capital. So you have to provide upper function here. Here unnecessary space is there. You can provide here a trim function. Here is small and you can use provide proper function here. Okay, so that is how you can clean the data, which we have already seen our case study. So this is more advanced way to convert our text column into uh, text data, which I have shown you. All data within a first column, and you can separate it by element. Just don't use that right or function, you will get confused. Okay, so that is all about this text function session. I hope you liked it. If you have any type of query, you can comment below in our video. And thanks for staying for the whole video. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next episode with aggregated function and date time function. Bye.